Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
I need water.
I need water.
I need to learn something new.
I need to learn something new.
I need a crayon.
I need a crayon.
I need a toy.
I need a toy.
I need a book.
I need a book.
I need a hug.
I need a hug.
I need help.
I need help.
I need a snack.
I need a snack.
I need to play.
I need to play.
I need my teddy bear.
I need my teddy bear.
I need my shoes.
I need my shoes.
I need a jacket.
I need a jacket.
I need my backpack.
I need my backpack.
I need to go outside.
I need to go outside.
I need my lunch.
I need my lunch.
I need my glasses.
I need my glasses.
I need my mom.
I need my mom.
I need my dad.
I need my dad.
I need my toothbrush.
I need my toothbrush.
I need my socks.
I need my socks.
I need to wash my hands.
I need to wash my hands.
I need to drink milk.
I need to drink milk.
I need to sing a song.
I need to sing a song.
I need to dance.
I need to dance.
I need to count to 10.
I need to count to 10.
I need to draw a picture.
I need to draw a picture.
I need a little rest.
I need a little rest.
I need my pet.
I need my pet.
I need to smile.
I need to smile.
I need to laugh.
I need to laugh.
I need my storybook.
I need my storybook.
I need my pajamas.
I need my pajamas.
I need to clean up.
I need to clean up.
I need my toy car.
I need my toy car.
I need to take a deep breath.
I need to take a deep breath.
I need to share with my friend.
I need to share with my friend.
I need to stretch.
I need to stretch.
I need to tell the truth.
I need to tell the truth.
I need to walk my dog.
I need to walk my dog.
I need money.
I need money.
I need a break.
I need a break.
I need a friend.
I need a friend.
I need a notebook.
I need a notebook.
I need food.
I need food.
I need sleep.
I need sleep.
I need fresh air.
I need fresh air.
I need a new book.
I need a new book.
I need to think.
I need to think.
I need to work.
I need to work.
I need to sleep early.
I need to sleep early.
I need to go school.
I need to go school.
I need to take a shower.
I need to take a shower.
I need to finish my homework.
I need to finish my homework.
I need to buy new shoes.
I need to buy new shoes.
I need to learn to cook.
I need to learn to cook.
I need to stop worrying.
I need to stop worrying.
I need to practice more.
I need to practice more.
I need to check weather.
I need to check weather. Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to our channel.